Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mama Dindin.
Happy birthday, Mama Dindin.
Happy birthday, Lola Dindin.
Ito.
Nico.
Mama Dindin, happy birthday. Sayang malapit na sa imong 70th big celebration, but we are all with you and we love you from all of us here sa Manila. And we're very proud to have you as our aunt, and you have been a very good mother, grandmother, and great-grandmother, as well as a daughter and sister to all of us. So thank you very much, and we love you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ma. Wish you good health always, and may the good Lord bless you with more years to come. And God bless you always. Dili na kayo mag-uwal mahakay. Dagko na yung mga anak. Ayaw na sila problemahin. Love you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lola Dindin. Happy birthday, Lola Dindin. I love you. Mwah!
Happy birthday, Mama Dindin! We love you!
Uli!